on this third live for back students. Today I'm very excited to introduce a new section of the back exam, which is, as you see, linking words. So linking words are an important component of the back exam specifications. هذا الكونتوني très important بالنسبة لامتحان البكالوريا. It's a very important one. You have to pay attention to the title. It's linking words. From the title, linking words are expressions that we use to link between sentences, and they are very important in connecting between two sentences. The first relationship that we have in the national exam is called concession. And what is concession used for? Used to express contradictions. And illogic situations. So concession in the back exam is used when we want to express contradictions. يعني les contradictions. C'est un apodate. And illogic situations. Illogic, which is the opposite of logic. In this concession lesson, we have the first group of words. We have four expressions. We have although. You write it like this, A-L-T-H-O-U-G-H, and it's pronounced although. We have the second one, even though. The next one we have even if, and the next one we have though. So I have four expressions for the first group. I repeat, we have although, even though, even if, though. Although, pay attention, ça se prononce although. Okay? This one, even though, even if, and we have though. يعني الجملة الأولى عندنا أربعة des expressions بالنسبة للا concession. En français هادو كاملين كيعنيو malgré ولا même si. For example, I have this example. Although I revised my lessons, comma, I didn't succeed. Which means that we have here expressing a contradiction here. What is illogic here? Is that I didn't succeed. Because normally when people revise their lessons, they should succeed. That's why I say, although I revised my lessons, I didn't succeed. Yani malgré j'ai révisé mes leçons, je n'ai pas réussi. So, I'm going to use the strategy which is very important for the back students. يعني تدخل الامتحان عارف strategy of the first group. So I'm going to underline it here. Strategy for this, we have expression although plus facts or reality. A fact is a reality, okay? Comma, then I go to illogic parts. For example, another example, although some people are poor, comma, they live a happy life. They live a happy life. They live a happy life. So here, the fact is that some people are poor. We all know that they are poor. يعني هذه reality, الواقع. But what is not accepted by mind, what is not logic, is that they live a happy life. This is the illogic part. إذا شفنا الطريقة اللي خدمت عليها, although followed by fact, then I go to illogic. In the national exam, the question may be, عندي واحد السؤال قبل writing يتحط كيقول لي join, okay, link or join. I'm going to underline here the question for you. This is the question. Join. بعد الامتحانات ما كتكون join كتكون link. يقدر يشونجي لي لا كيسيون لحساب l'examen. Join or link. يعني الربط. En français le verbe joindre. Okay? Join or link these pairs of sentences using the expressions given. هذه la question d'examen. بالنسبة these parts, okay? Join or link, we have two verbs here. Join or link these pairs of sentences using the expressions given. يعني en utilisant les expressions données. For example, to confirm this, I can have نعتبر الوضعية الوطني. This one. My sister came to school yesterday. My sister came to school yesterday. Full stop. This is the first sentence because look, نخدم على question. Join or link these pairs of sentences. What does this mean, pairs of sentences? A pair in English means two of something. And a pair of means a couple of. I have to underline this. A pair of means a couple of. Two of something. So the first sentence, my sister came to school yesterday. Second one, she was very sick. C'est la deuxième phrase. غيجي غيعطيني entre parenthèses نستعمل even though. So السؤال هو وعندي لاسباس فين غنجاوب هنا. يعني خصني نحدا مع ورقة الامتحان لأن كنجاوب في الورقة ديال الأسئلة. I have to pay attention to these things. And the first thing, أول حاجة غندير كتلميذ في البكالوريا هي نقلب على الفاكتس and illogic. لأن القاعدة قلنا the strategy of this, although or even though. ملي كنهضر على although كنهضر على لي سينونيم ديالها. شكون هما؟ نعاودهم. Although, even though, even if, and though. We have 4 expressions. So, عطانينا even though, c'est-à-dire synonyme direct ديال although. I have to pay attention to the strategy, technique. غنخدم عليها هي although plus facts, comma, illogic. في لو كا ديالنا غندير even though plus facts, comma, illogic. هنا إلا مشيت خصني أول حاجة غندير I have to analyze. Je dois analyser les deux phrases. I have to read and understand the context. My sister came to school yesterday. Elle est venue à l'école. Full stop. She was very sick. Elle était très malade. Normalement, les gens qui sont malades ne viennent pas à l'école. And normally the students who are sick stay at home. But my sister is here an exception. What is the meaning of an exception? يعني en français on dit exception, c'est-à-dire special case. Exception means a special case. يعني استثناء ولا حالة خاصة كتسمى. My sister came to school yesterday. This is contradiction, illogic. يعني she should stay at home. The fact is that she was very sick. إلا بغيت نخدم هذه شنو غندير؟ لا ريبونس غتكون بحال هكذا ورقة التحرير غندير إلا بغيت نبدا بها غندير even though my sister was very sick, comma, virgule. I have to pay attention to the punctuation. I have to respect my punctuation. She came to school. She came to school yesterday. I can put even though in the middle. J'ai la possibilité de jouer avec le mot. C'est-à-dire نقدر نحط even though in the middle. إلا درت الوسط ما يمكنش ندير كمان. شنو غندير؟ My sister came to school yesterday even though she was very sick. Thank you very much. I'm going to stop here and come back at 11 for continuing the lesson. I have to see you then. Thank you.